You can find 52,000 investments rated on the site. Gavin Magor, Director of Research and Ratings, makes sure they stay accurate and uninfluenced.
You always emphasize that the ratings are unemotional. They are not emotionally tied to any stock or company.
Everything we do is based on fact. It is based on an independent view of things. We have our models and we follow our models. We don't inject our personal opinions into our ratings.
He oversees a renowned team of data scientists analyzing algorithms and indicators of a company's strength or weakness, opportunity and or risk.
We have so much data. It's mind-boggling. I'm assured it's in the terabytes range, and we take data from several different sources. We gather that for many, many years, and we look back at the patterns that have been formed, and we've developed our models, and we have many different models.
One source is the National Association of Insurance Commissioners.
The filings that they have to make on a quarterly basis is we're looking at that data, and the same thing goes for the banks and the credit unions.
The Weiss safety ratings from A to E are easy for investors to make sense of.
If you're looking at getting an E-, we see that those sorts of companies, if they are a bank or an insurer, there is significant risk involved. Let's take a property and casualty insurer. In Florida, hurricane season comes along. You've insured too many houses in one area that suddenly gets struck by a hurricane. You're at risk, no matter what other protections you've taken.
It's simple to weed out the stocks with strong fundamentals.
It would be fair to say Weiss, as a general rule, is very conservative with our ratings. We know that opportunities can definitely be taken with a low-rated stock. It happens, and it is real, but those opportunities come with high risk. However, recognizing a stock that is on the way up, recognizing a trend, recognizing their performance, you can then look into those and you can say, well, okay, I understand this is where it is now, but I'm going to watch it and I'm going to see if that changes over time. We're trying to give you the tools that allow you to make that choice.
Gavin started at Weiss nearly 15 years ago and has seen all sorts of market conditions.
Gavin, you joined Weiss Ratings at a pretty momentous time.
When I first came in to join Weiss, it was just before the housing collapse and the financial crisis developed. So things went completely pear-shaped, as we say in the UK. I don't know if you say that in the US, but anyway, things went pear-shaped, and that means really bad. Very quickly.
He helped warn consumers about bank and insurance companies that failed. The new service he's leading aims to protect investors from those types of black swan events.
I believe the black swan events are but blips in the market, but they can be serious blips if you react to them incorrectly. If you think that the world is coming to an end and you sell everything off at the bottom of a market, and then you wait until everybody's saying, well, it's now higher than it ever was, and then you get in because it's up now, you've wasted tremendous opportunities in between. And what we're trying to do is make sure that you're positioned well no matter what happens. It's going to go up when things are good, and it's going to hopefully outperform the overall market. If things turn around, we have a strategy that will try to protect your investment.
At any given time, the portfolio will hold roughly 10 of the highest quality stocks, along with 2 ETFs. The makeup will be adjusted based on signals of a bear or bull market, signals from the team's breakthrough timing model.
This all-weather portfolio can be an excellent retirement portfolio. This is not for day traders.
We're certainly not looking for a huge turnover with the stocks involved. We're really aiming to make this a portfolio that over a period of time you would do very well. And the best thing about this is, although we are directly involved in this, we are strictly sticking to what our modeling is providing. So if our model doesn't bring up a particular stock that may be a crowd favorite out there, we won't be recommending it. It's not going to be on the list. There may be stocks that are surprises to people. There may be stocks that people have not heard of. At the end of the day, we believe in it.
And decades of backtesting prove you can too.
Director of Research and Ratings, Gavin Magor, thank you so much for your time and insights today.
Thank you.